Okay, Krista, just now I show you the manual way of how to use the Thermomix, and now I want to show you how to use Thermomix in the guided cooking function. Alright, so you can just select start cooking here. Now we're making quick steam bun. Okay, we need 130 gram of water. This is the MC cup, so we can use this for measure. So now let me pour in. So your job now, okay, next, click next. Okay, this is the second step. You need 20 gram of sugar. Again, you don't have to go to the scale manually. It's all preset here. I think it's about 5 grams, so you need 4. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Moving forward, click next again. 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Okay. Can you click next again?
Okay. Next is olive oil or vegetables oil.
Okay. They even provide you with the option, so you can choose either the olive oil or vegetable oil. Okay. Once again, click next to continue. This part.
What should we do for this?
Insert measuring cup into mixing bowl lid. We need to do just follow the picture here. That means cover the lid and then click next again. As you can see here, Crystal, the time, the temperature already set for you. Okay, so you just need to turn this speed selector to clockwise position until you see 2. Okay. Okay, number 2. Okay, is this your first time hearing this sound? Okay, meaning it's ready. So all you need to do is just touch on the screen to stop the sound. Okay.
I see. How should I do this?
You can
next.
click next also. Okay, I want to let you feel. Can you touch this?
Oh,
It's warm, right? 37. Okay, next. What do we need here?
250 gram flour.
250 gram of flour. 57.
Okay, another 10 gram.
1 pinch of salt. Okay. I'm sure you already know how to do this.
Can't really try.
Okay. Yes. And now, all you need to do is turn the speed selector to start. So now,
No, I think I need to turn.
yes,
clockwise.
exactly.
Follow the green arrow.
Yes. Okay. I can also show you what is actually happening inside here. And just 2 minutes. Now the dough is done. Transfer the dough onto a lightly flour surface. Right. Press it down. See,
Okay.
the bowl is clean.
Sure.
Okay, check out the texture. See, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
It
so
mixes
now,
thoroughly.
yes, you just roll here. Yeah. Okay, so this spatula works as a cutter to help you divide the dough. So you can divide into maybe 10. I suggest you to cut half first, then after that you divide. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Cover with the lid and let's wait for it to proof until it doubles the original size. Okay, Crystal, so now I want to show you the mantou dough that you made earlier. Hey, check this out. Ding, ding, ding.
Wow.
This is your first time, right? Making mantou.
Exactly. But I didn't do much lighting.
It's perfect. Look at this. Wow. Because what? Because Thermomix help you to knead the dough, right? In just 2 minutes. Okay, we need 600 gram of water. So just put in 600 gram of water. This part, right, because I don't want to waste, Thermomix allow you to do multi-layer cooking. So I will cook something at the bottom, which is pumpkin soup. I'll just add in the pumpkin. There's a potato here as well. So now, place the closed varoma into position. Try this.
Okay.
Put on top. Okay, and then click next. Okay, it's done. Click next.
So we make it
Wow!
become bigger already.
Not bad, First time. Okay, so this is not done yet. But before we proceed with the next step, I'm just gonna add in a little bit of lightly roasted cashew nuts. Okay, I will cover the MC cup to make it smooth. The pumpkin soup is ready.
Wow, it's so smooth.
So smooth, right? Yeah.
Wow. The
Soft,
dough is-
right?
Yeah, it's very soft.
Very soft. You know what? Don't waste. Okay, dip a bit and try.
Okay, sure. It
How?
tastes very good.
Tastes very good, yeah?
Because this is plain, and then we can get the original flavor from pumpkin. It's very good.
Yes.
It's a good combination.
Good combination, yeah. Thank you very much for this session, Crystal. Nice meeting you. I hope you enjoy your Thermomix.
Yeah.